Hi, here we are at the New Zealand Ride Forever Motorcycle Show. We've had day one's done and dusted. We've had a lot of people through, a lot of interest, and you know, it's been really good to see. A lot of interest here on the Kawasaki stand with the Ergo-Fit fit out. Obviously with our Vulcan Cruiser series, you can customise your cruiser to obviously with different bar length, different seat height, again just so you get that correct fit on your bike. Also great to see a lot of interest in our Ninja 400, top selling New Zealand Lambs bike so far this year in 2018, and also really good to see obviously with our retro sport models, the 900, a huge amount of interest there with our Cafe 900 RS, also in homage to the original Z1 of 1972. So yeah, really good. So come on down here, day 2 at the Ride Forever New Zealand Motorcycle Show, catch up with the Team Green.
Yeah, so here we are on the Ninja part of the stand at Kawasaki in New Zealand. On the Ninja 400, for $8.5 grand, you get a bike that's the #1 selling lambs bike in the market. It's a great bike for learning to get around the track. It's a great commuting bike, nice and light, nimble, and that's why it's attractive to so many buyers.
It's a lovely motorcycle. I'd like to put one on my Jeep.